Hello coders, I welcome you all. In this video, we are going to discuss relational operators in Python. So can you tell what will be the output of this code? Don't you worry, we are going to discuss this. So please watch up to the end. So now let's get started. Relational operators are used for comparison. There are 6 relational operators in Python: equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. As you can see here, A equal to B. Return true if A and B are equal, else false. A greater than B. Return true if A is greater than B, else false. A less than B. Return true if A is less than B, else false. A greater than or equal to B. Return true if A is greater or equal to B, else false. A less than or equal to B. Return true if A is less or equal to B, else false. A not equal to B. Return true if A and B are not equal, else false. So please remember, the operands in relational operation are values that can be compared. So the values can be integer, float, boolean, and string. The result of relational operation is a boolean value, true or false. So let me show you this practically. So let's jump to Python tutor. So as you can see here, currently I am using pythontutor.com. Let me click on this. Start coding now in Python. So now let's use relational operators for integer values. So let me write A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Let me write print A equal to B, A greater than B, A less than B, A greater than or equal to B, A less than or equal to B, A not equal to B. Let me click on this button, visualize execution. As you can see here, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Here you can see A equal to B. Output is false. A greater than B, 10 greater than 20. Again output is false. A less than B, 10 is less than 20. Output is true. That you can see over here. A greater than or equal to B, 10 is greater than or equal to B. Output is false. That you can see over here. A less than or equal to B. Yes, A less than B. So output is true. A not equal to B. 10 not equal to 20. Yes, output is true. So as you can see, working of relational operators with integer values are straightforward. Further discussion is not required, right? So now let's use these relational operators for string values. So let me assign A to lowercase a and B to uppercase A. So please remember, this string comparison is done from left to right and character by character. I am repeating, this string comparison is done left to right and character by character, and this comparison is based on Unicode. So at this time you can consider Unicode and ASCII code, both are same. Just remember, Unicode supports more number of characters as compared to ASCII code, and Python 3 uses Unicode, not ASCII code. So how we can display Unicode of particular character? So for that we have to use ORD function, and let me pass A. Again let me use ORD function and let me pass B. Let me click on this button, visualize execution. Let me press this button next. As you can see here, A is equal to lowercase a and B is equal to uppercase A. As you can see here, Unicode of lowercase a 97 and Unicode of uppercase A 65. Now you can see here, this comparison is performed based on this Unicode. As you can see here, A equal to B, false. A greater than B, 97 greater than 65, true. 97 less than 65, false. 97 greater than or equal to 65, true. 97 less than or equal to 65, false. 97 not equal to 65, true. That you can see over here. So please remember, string comparison is done left to right, character by character. Let me take another example. Let me take A, B, C, and here A, capital B and C. So as you can see here, currently we are taking one string ABC and here is ABC, but here B in uppercase. So now, as I said, string comparison is done left to right and character by character. Here Unicode of A 97, both are same. So comparison is performed based on Unicode of B. Let me check. Lowercase b and uppercase B. Let me click on this button, visualize execution. Let me press this button next. As you can see here, A is equal to lowercase abc and B is equal to ABC, but here I am using uppercase B. As you can see here, Unicode of lowercase b 98 and Unicode of uppercase B 66. Now these all comparisons are performed based on Unicode of lowercase b and uppercase b. Let me click on this. 98 is equal to 66. Output is false. 98 greater than 66. Output is true. 98 less than 66. Output is false. 98 greater than or equal to 66. Output is true. 98 less than or equal to 66. Output is false. 98 not equal to 66. Output is true. That you can see over here. So just remember, string comparison is done left to right, character by character, and this comparison is performed based on Unicode. So as you can see here, the result of relational operation is a Boolean value, true or false, that you can see over here. So we can use these relational operators with Boolean values as well. So let me show you this. Let me click on this, edit this code. Let me remove this and let me write print true greater than false. Print true less than. Same way you can use other relational operators. As you can see here, true greater than false. So please remember, internally it consider true as 1 and false means 0. So that's why here 1 is greater than 0. Output is true. Here 1 less than 0. Output is false. So let me click on this button, visualize execution. Let me press this button next. As you can see here, output is true because 1 is greater than 0. Here false because 1 is less than 0. That's why output is false. So this way we can use Boolean values with relational operators. But internally it consider true as 1 and false means 0. Right? And again you can see the result of relational operation is a Boolean value, true or false, that you can see over here. So mostly we are using these relational operators with if and else statement. Let me show you this. Let me click on this, edit this code. Let me remove this and let me assign A to 10 and B to 20. If A greater than B, then print yes, else print no, that you can see over here. So as I said, mostly we are using these relational operators with if and else statement, that you can see over here. Let me click on this, visualize execution. As you can see here, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Here 10 is greater than 20, this condition become false. So output is no, that you can see over here. So this way we can use relational operators with if and else statement. So we can use these relational operators in chain as well. Let me show you this. Let me remove this and let me write print 10 greater than 20. Print 10 less than 20 less than 30. Let me write print 10 less than 20 less than 30 less than 40, and also let me write print 10 less than 20 less than 30 less than 40 and less than 50 as well. And let me write print 10 less than 20 less than 30 less than 40 greater than 50. So here you can see in this statement how many comparisons are there? 1. In this statement how many comparisons are there? 1 and 2. In this statement 1, 2 and 3. In this statement how many comparisons are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this statement again how many comparisons are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here 10 is less than 20. Yes, true. 10 is less than 20. True. 20 is less than 30. True. So here output is true. Here first comparison 10 less than 20. True. 20 less than 30. True. 30 less than 40. True. So output is true. Now here 10 less than 20. Output is true. 20 less than 30. True. 30 less than 40. True. 40 less than 50. True. Then output is true. Here 10 less than 20. True. 20 less than 30. True. 30 less than 40. True. 40 greater than 50. False. So output is false. So please remember, so in chaining, if all comparisons are true, then output is true, otherwise false. I am repeating, in chaining, if all comparisons are true, then output is true, otherwise false. So let me click on this button, visualize execution. Here you can see true, true, because all comparisons are true. Here is also true. Here is also true. Here is false. Because one comparison is false, then output is false. That you can see over here. So we can use this chaining with equal to operator as well. Let me show you this. Let me remove this and let me write print 1 equal to 1 equal to 1 equal to 1. Print 1 equal to 1 equal to 1 equal to 10. So here you can see how many comparisons are there? 1, 2 and 3. Same over here. 1, 2 and 3. So again, in chaining, if all comparisons are true, then output is true, otherwise false. So here all comparisons are true. So here output will be true. Here first comparison true, second comparison true, third comparison false. So output will be false. Let me click on this, visualize execution. Let me click on this, true. Here is false. So please remember, in chaining, all comparisons are true, then output is true, otherwise false. So this way we can use relational operators in Python. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you like this video, smash that like button. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.